Assalamualaikum and good morning, teacher and friends. My name is Shahima Natasha binti Muhammad Shaheza and I am a proud student from SK Felda Kemasul. My school code is CBA 0016. I really enjoy reading storybooks because they are fun, exciting and full of good listen. Sometimes a simple story can teach us something very important. Today, I am excited to share one of my favorite stories with you. The title of the book is You Can Do It, Ella. This story is very interesting and meaningful. It teaches us about being brave, trying new things, and believing in ourselves. The story is about a girl named Ella who is going for her first swimming lesson. At the beginning, the teacher, Mrs. Ho, asked the pupils to get into the pool. However, Ella feels very scared and she looks at the water and says that she does not want to get into the pool. She also says, I can't do it. Mrs. Ho is kind and patient teachers and encourages Ella and tells her that she can do it. Mrs. Ho offers to go into the water together. Slowly, step into the pool with her teacher's support. At first, Ella is still unsure, but Mrs. Ho guides her step by step. She asks Ella to make bubbles in the water. Ella tries it and finds it fine. Then, Mrs. Ho teach her how to kick in the water. Ella starts to enjoy it and it says that it is fun too. After that, Mrs. Ho shows Ella how to put her head under the water and open her eyes. Ella becomes braver and decides to try. She put her head under the water and opened her eyes. When she comes up again, she laughs with Mr. Ho. At this moment, Ella is no longer afraid. At the end of the story, Ella sees her friend Luke sitting by the pool. She invites her to join them and tells him that swimming lessons are great fun. This is how that Ella has become more confident and brave. From the story, I learned that it's okay to feel scared when we try something new. However, we should not give up. With the practice and encouragement, we can overcome our fears. In my opinion, this is very good book for children because it is easy to understand and strong moral value. It teaches us to be brave and believing in ourselves. I really enjoy reading this book because it is fun and inspiring. Thank you for listening to my sharing today. I hope you enjoyed the storybook as much as I did. If you are curious, feel free to come and read this book yourself. I'm sure you will like it. Happy reading, everyone!